Looking to replace old or antique door knobs without sacrificing charm? These vintage-style satin nickel door knobs offer a perfect blend of classic design and modern durability, ideal for interior doors like bedrooms and bathrooms. They bring back that timeless look while fitting seamlessly into your existing hardware setup. Crafted from steel with a satin nickel finish, these knobs are built to last and resist wear. They're designed specifically for interior latch sets, working well with doors between 1 to 3/8 of an inch and 1 to 3/4 of an inch thick. Plus, the included 17/64 of a square drive spindle ensures a snug fit with most old-style mortise lock systems. What makes these knobs stand out is their compatibility with vintage door hardware. The 3-1/2-inch steel spindle with 3/8-20 threads adjusts easily, making installation straightforward even on doors with varying thicknesses. This flexibility means you don't have to compromise on style or function. One satisfied homeowner shared their experience. Living in a 132-year-old house made finding the right replacement knobs tough. This set was exactly what they needed, perfectly matching their original fixtures and restoring the authentic feel of their home. If you're dealing with aging hardware and want to maintain your home's classic character, these satin nickel knobs are worth a look. They deliver what you need: durability, style, and a perfect fit for vintage mortise locks. Ready to upgrade your interior doors with knobs that combine vintage appeal and modern reliability? This set offers an easy solution that respects your home's history while providing smooth, dependable operation. Try these satin nickel door knobs when you're ready to bring old doors back to life. They offer the quality and classic style you want without the hassle of complicated installation or mismatched parts. Restore your home's original charm with doorknobs designed for vintage mortise lock systems. These satin nickel knobs provide a reliable, stylish upgrade that fits perfectly on interior doors, making them a smart choice for anyone maintaining or renovating older homes.